today we will discuss about OSI model. This topic is very important for engineering students. So guys, like and subscribe our channel for latest technical updates. The OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, model is a conceptual framework that defines a set of protocols and standards for computer network communication. It was developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, in the 1980s to provide a standard reference model for network protocol design and to ensure that different systems can communicate with each other. The OSI model is divided into 7 layers, each of which represents a different aspect of network communication. From lowest to highest, these layers are: physical layer. This layer defines the physical components of the network, such as cables, connectors, and network interface cards. It is responsible for transmitting bits over the network. Data link layer. This layer provides error-free communication between two adjacent nodes on a network. It also handles the flow control of data transmission. Network layer. This layer is responsible for routing packets between networks. It provides logical addressing and determines the best path for data to travel through the network. Transport layer. This layer ensures that data is delivered reliably and accurately between applications running on different hosts. It provides end-to-end error recovery and flow control. Session layer. This layer manages the communication sessions between applications running on different hosts. It establishes, maintains, and terminates sessions. Presentation layer. This layer provides a standard format for data exchange between applications. It ensures that data is presented in a readable format and handles data encryption and decryption. Application layer. This layer provides network services to applications running on different hosts. It includes protocols for file transfer, email, remote login, and other applications. Each layer of the OSI model communicates with the layer above and below it using standardized protocols, which allows for interoperability between different hardware and software platforms. The OSI model is a useful tool for designing and troubleshooting computer networks.